This is my version of a chocolate peanut butter smoothie. You're going to need almond milk, high protein yogurt, which also could be Greek yogurt, chocolate flavored protein powder, collagen, where's the front? Moringa, peanut butter, dates, pumpkin seeds, and hemp seeds. I'm going to start with 8 ounces of milk. I use vanilla flavored almond milk, and I use almond milk because it's flavored, and that sounds really good. My smoothie cup is a NutriBullet, and it has markings on the side that will tell you how many ounces there are, so I put in 8 ounces of milk. And then 1 scoop of chocolate protein powder. A tablespoon of collagen, a teaspoon of moringa. I got suckered into that one because it said it's a superfood, so I was like, hey, that sounds good. 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds. These are a good source of protein. A tablespoon of pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds, I thought was a good source of selenium, which is why I bought them. They're also a really good source of protein. Like a 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds is 8 grams of protein. And 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds is 10 grams of protein. Then I do 3 medjool dates. I don't think I'm saying that right. For dates, even though they've been depitted, you always want to open them up and just double check and make sure. I've found a pit in them once or twice. And since I'm making a smoothie because it's soft, I definitely want to make sure I don't get a pit. Then I do 3 heaping spoonfuls of peanut butter. So I wrote 3 tablespoons, but honestly, it's probably closer to 5. Although I'm at the end of the peanut butter, so. And I eat this for breakfast, but actually I eat it for dessert. I have this and then I mash up some berries on top and pour this into a bowl with the berries on top, and that's what I have for dessert. Then protein yogurt. This is vanilla flavored yogurt because that's one of the only flavors I like. And I'm also going to use, I forgot, chia seeds and flax seeds. I'm going to do a tablespoon each of chia seeds, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and a tablespoon of flax seeds. They're good sources of omega-3s. Those are chia seeds. And these are flax seeds. I started making this because smoothies were one of the only things I thought that I could think of to eat on a soft food diet. But even when I'm not on a soft food diet, I still have this for dessert every night. I forgot the oats. It was blending so easily and I thought, that's really weird. I put in about a half cup of oats for fiber and protein.